The Gigabyte GeForce RTX 4060 Gaming OC8G graphics card is a modern mid-range GPU built on NVIDIA's latest Ada Lovelace architecture. Designed for gamers and creators, it offers strong performance, efficient power usage, and advanced AI-powered features like DLSS 3, making it a solid upgrade for 1080p and 1440p gaming setups. Ada Lovelace architecture performance. This graphics card is powered by NVIDIA's Ada Lovelace architecture, delivering improved efficiency and performance compared to previous generations. It includes 3072 CUDA cores, providing smooth gameplay, fast rendering, and better multitasking for creative workloads. HUASEKI GDDR6 memory. With 128-bit interface, equipped with 8GB GDDR6 VRAM and a 128-bit memory bus, the RTX 4060 ensures fast data transfer and smooth performance in modern games and applications. While slightly lower than the RTX 3060's VRAM, it is optimized for efficiency and next-gen features. DLSS 3 and ray tracing technology. The card supports DLSS 3, AI frame generation, and advanced ray tracing, delivering realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections. DLSS 3 significantly boosts FPS while maintaining image quality, making it ideal for modern AAA gaming. WINDFORCE 3X cooling system, Gigabytes. WINDFORCE 3X cooling system features 3 fans with alternate spinning design for improved airflow and heat dissipation. This keeps temperatures low and ensures stable performance even during long gaming sessions. Multiple display outputs, HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4a. The card features 2x HDMI 2.1 and 2x DisplayPort 0.4a, supporting multi-monitor setups and high resolutions up to 8K 7680x4320 for immersive gaming and productivity. Ideal for 1080p and entry 1440p gaming. This GPU excels in 1080p ultra settings and performs well in 1440p gaming, especially with DLSS enabled. It's a great option for gamers who want modern features and smooth performance without going high-end. The Gigabyte RTX 4060 Gaming OC 8G is a powerful, efficient, and feature-rich GPU that focuses on modern technologies like DLSS 3 and ray tracing. It's an excellent choice for gamers and creators who want next-gen performance, lower power consumption, and reliable cooling in a mid-range graphics card.